Good morning, everyone. I'd just like to share a little experience I had at Bar Beach when I visited Lagos during the Easter period. Growing up, Bar Beach was a very exciting sight that every little child had the opportunity. Well, most children had the opportunity of visiting, and we really had a nice time. You had the horses, you had the opportunity to play with the water when the waves brings it down to you, and then you had lots of things to eat and drink with your parents, take pictures, and on and on and on for years. Of course, life happened. I particularly left Lagos and never been there for a very long while, though I visited about 2015 or so. But it was a short visit, but this one I took my time, spent a lot of time at the beach, and have a short video for you to see. And I just enjoy the sights and sounds of Bar Beach. Lots of children having fun. I also had fun. I had splashes of the water over me and all of that. I had nice suya to eat, had some drinks. I had the coconuts, actually, fresh coconuts. Yes, nice time. I'm doing this so that when next year in Lagos, try and visit the Bar Beach. It's really a nice place to be, nice place to go with your family. It's safe, actually. No, you don't need to bother about security. It's very, very safe. And then you have to pay a gate fee of about 2,000 naira per person. You could be there the whole day. And in the Bar Beach, they have different segments. I think some of the parts were privatized. So, yeah, I really had a nice time. Bar Beach is situated in Lagos on Victoria Island. So you share your experiences with me if you've been there, and if you hope to visit, why not drop a comment below and enjoy the video. Bye.